Namaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about AIMS not set previous year related question answer. Part 4. Let's start. The first question. Newborn maturity rating scale is assessed by which scale? Option A. New Ballot scale. Option B. APGR score. Option C. Glasgow Coma scale. Option D. Growth chart. The correct option is option A. New Ballot scale. Which of the following is a substance that decreases pain transmission and causes an inflammatory response? Option A. Substance P. Option B. Histamine. Option C. Prostaglandin. Option D. Endorphin. The correct option is option D. Endorphin. Which of the following is considered a positive symptom of schizophrenia? Option A. Social withdrawal. Option B. Lack of motivation. Option C. Apathy. Option D. Auditory hallucinations. The correct option is option D. Auditory hallucinations. Permanent abnormal dilation and destruction of bronchi and bronchioles is known as option A. Emphysema. Option B. Asthma. Option C. Bronchiectasis. Option D. Atelectasis. The correct option is option C. Bronchiectasis. A patient with a chest tube shows continuous bubbling in the water still chamber. What does this indicate? Option A. Normal finding. Option B. Suction is too high. Option C. System leak. Option D. Lung has fully expanded. The correct option is option C. System leak. Which of the following is the drug of choice for a patient with status epilepticus? Option A. Phenytoin. Option B. Lorazepam. Option C. Valproate. Option D. Levetiracetam. The correct option is option B. Lorazepam. While assessing a newborn, the nurse finds a sunsetting sign in the eyes. This is a classic sign of option A. Jaundice. Option B. Down syndrome. Option C. Hydrocephalus. Option D. Glaucoma. The correct option is option C. Hydrocephalus. What is the correct ratio of chest compressions to breaths in 2 rescuer CPR for an infant? Option A. 30:2. Option B. 15:2. Option C. 5:1. Option D. 15:1. The correct option is option B. 15:2. A machine-like murmur heard on auscultation is characterized of option A. Tetralogy of Fallot. Option B. Patent ductus arteriosus PDA. Option C. Ventricular septal defect. Option D. Atrial septal defect. The correct option is option B. Patent ductus arteriosus PDA. Which electrolyte should be closely monitored in a patient receiving furosemide laxis? Option A. Sodium. Option B. Potassium. Option C. Calcium. Option D. Magnesium. The correct option is option B. Potassium. In a 12-lead ECG, which leads represent the inferior wall of the heart? Option A. V1, V2, V3. Option B. 1, AVL, V5, V6. Option C. 2, 3, AVF. Option D. V3, V4. The correct option is option C. 2, 3, AVF. The T-piece is used for which of the following purposes? Option A. Oxygen delivery for a non-intubated patient. Option B. Weaning a patient from a ventilator. Option C. Delivering nebulization to a pediatric patient. Option D. Suctioning the oropharynx. The correct option is option B. Weaning a patient from a ventilator. What is the primary nursing priority for a patient with placenta previa? Option A. Perform a vaginal examination to check dilation. Option B. Monitor for painful contractions. Option C. Assess for painless bright red bleeding. Option D. Induce labor immediately. The correct option is option C. Assess for painless bright red bleeding. Which solution is used to prime the tubing before starting a blood transfusion? Option A. 5% dextrose. Option B. Ringer's lactate. Option C. 0.9% normal saline. Option D. 0.45% normal saline. The correct option is option C. 0.9% normal saline. A patient presents with rice water stools. This is a diagnostic feature of option A. Typhoid. Option B. Amoebiasis. Option C. Cholera. Option D. Ulcerative colitis. The correct option is option C. Cholera. Which of the following is the correct site for a vitamin K injection in a newborn? Option A. Deltoid. Option B. Gluteus maximus. Option C. Vastus lateralis. Option D. Rectus femoris. The correct option is option C. Vastus lateralis. The rule of 9 for a burned patient. If the entire left arm and the anterior trunk are burned, what is the TBSA percentage? Option A. 18%. Option B. 27%. Option C. 36%. Option D. 45%. The correct option is option B. 27%. Which position is most suitable for a patient after a craniotomy? Supratentorial. Option A. Flat, supine. Option B. Head end elevated 30 to 45 degrees. Option C. Tendelberg. Option D. Side lying with head down. The correct option is option B. Head end elevated 30 to 45 degrees. Coastic sign and Trousseau sign are indicative of option A. Hyperkalemia. Option B. Hypocalcemia. Option C. Hyponatremia. Option D. Hypomagnesemia. The correct option is option B. Hypocalcemia. What is the antidote for heparin? Option A. Vitamin K. Option B. Protamine sulfate. Option C. Naloxone. Option D. Flumazenil. The correct option is option B. Protamine sulfate. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.